Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tips and Tricks, your go-to place for awesome DIY projects. Today I'm super excited to show you how to build your very own speaker from scratch. We'll go through each step and explain the function of every part so you can understand exactly how the speaker works. So let's dive in. Let's first discuss the parts of a speaker and their functions. This is a T-yoke. The T-yoke is a component that directs the magnetic flux from the magnet to the voice coil. It ensures efficient magnetic coupling and helps in cooling the voice coil. It also ensures that the magnetic field does not affect other external electronic components. This is a magnet. This ferrite permanent magnet creates a stable magnetic field for the voice coil to interact with. The interaction between the magnetic field and the voice coil's current is what drives the cone back and forth. This is a bore plate. The bore plate is a metal plate with a central hole through which the voice coil moves. It provides a solid mounting point for the magnet and T-yoke. This is a basket or frame. The frame holds all the components together. It's usually made of metal or plastic and provides the structural integrity for the speaker. This is a tag board. The tag board is used for mounting and organizing electrical components and connections. It helps keep the wiring tidy and makes troubleshooting easier. This is a voice coil. The voice coil is a crucial component. When electrical current passes through it, it creates a magnetic field that interacts with the speaker's magnet, causing the cone to move and produce sound. This is a spider. The spider helps keep the voice coil centered and allows it to move freely while providing the necessary tension to maintain alignment. This is a speaker cone. It is the part that moves air to create sound waves. It's typically made of paper or plastic. The cone's movement generates the sound you hear. This is a surround. A surround is a flexible ring that connects the edge of the cone to the speaker frame, allowing the cone to move while maintaining its position. This is a braided copper wire. It is an electrolytic copper wire which helps to reduce interference and signal degradation. This is a dust cap. The cap protects the voice coil from dust and debris, ensuring the speaker's longevity and performance. Now let's start assembling our speaker. First, glue the magnet to the T-yoke with the help of araldite and then glue it to the bore plate and frame. Use a jig to precisely position and secure the T-yoke magnet, bore plate and frame. Leave it for 4 to 5 hours to allow the resin to harden completely. Now attach the tag board with the help of the frame. It will form the foundation of our speaker and keep all other components aligned. Next, insert the coil setting jig into the coil and place it carefully into the space between the magnet and the T-yoke. The coil setting jig is essential for ensuring the voice coil remains centered. This step is critical for maintaining the alignment and performance of the speaker. While placing the voice coil into the magnetic gap, make sure a thin ring of copper wire should be visible and voice coil wires should be towards the tag board. Apply resin to the surface where the spider will be placed. The resin ensures the spider adheres firmly to the frame. Carefully position the spider over the coil and frame, ensuring it's perfectly aligned. Now apply resin between the spider and the coil to secure it. This setup ensures the voice coil remains centered and allows for smooth movement. Before attaching the cone, apply resin to the edges of the cone paper and the frame surface. Position the cone paper carefully over the basket and press it into place. Once the cone is positioned, apply resin between the cone and the coil to secure the connection. Apply resin to the edge of the cone. Place the surround around the edge of the cone and secure it to the frame. The surround helps keep the cone centered while allowing it to move freely. Leave the assembled speaker for 2 to 3 hours to allow the resin to harden completely. This step is crucial for ensuring all components are securely bonded. Once the resin is dry, it is time to finalize and test the speaker. Carefully remove the coil setting jig. Check the movement of the speaker to ensure it's completely free and not restricted. Now we need to use the braided wire to join the coil wires with the speaker's terminals. First, make 2 holes in the cone. Now take the braided wire and pass it through the holes. Next, solder the voice coil wires to the braided wires. Now solder the braided wire with the tag board. This connection ensures that the electrical signal from the amplifier reaches the voice coil effectively. Apply glue to the soldered parts. Apply glue to the edges of the dust cap. Place the dust cap over the center of the cone, covering the voice coil. This cap prevents dust and debris from entering the coil area. Let's check the continuity of the speaker to ensure the soldering is perfect. A multimeter can help verify that the connections are solid and there are no breaks in the circuit. Our speaker is ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this project and learned how a speaker is assembled. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome DIY projects. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching and happy building. Bye bye.